happy. Sukha is everywhere. Everywhere is sukh. The dog has sukh. The pig has sukh. But a human being can have anand, and then a devotee has bhakta anand, and then bhavanand. We have our names, bhavanand. So bhaktanand. If any bhakta, any devotee, whether lady or gent, if they have some bliss, they have some joy coming from chanting Hare Krishna, worshipping deities, taking prasad, seeing devotees, selling books, any devotional practice, if they feel some joy, that is a drop of the ocean of Ladani Shakti. That is a drop of Radharani. Bhakti means Ladini. So we know. We can space out. We always space out. We chant japa. And everywhere, we know that everyone has 1,000 different varieties of japa they do, which is their own special style, but it's all under one general category called inattention.